YouTube? WJ's Handy Dad here, and today we're going to talk about working on your sunroof. So the first thing you might want to do is clean out all the dirt and stuff that accumulates in here. What I would normally do, because these are supposed to be basically not totally watertight, but when water gets in here it's supposed to drain out rather than getting into your vehicle. So I would clean it out with soapy water, rinse it, dry it, and then we can lubricate the track so that everything is working smoothly. I'm going to use white lithium grease on here. There's probably not really a right or wrong thing to do. This obviously has white lithium grease from the factory, so I'm just going to stick with what they used rather than trying to change. Not gonna be able to see it in the camera, but there's a little plastic wheel that runs inside on this side of the track here. I'm guessing there's probably one on this side as well. Do the same thing on the other side, and then open and close it a few times to spread it around. That's the other motion, and so that track in there, I'm going to go ahead and put just silicone lubricant in there instead of the white lithium. Silicone rejects water better, and this shouldn't be as messy. And that should restore the sunroof, moonroof, whatever you want to call it, back to basically normal function. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.